Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kyanite Roblox. First, you'll need to download the Kyanite Executor from its official website. It's crucial to temporarily disable your antivirus software before downloading and installing, as exploits are often flagged. Once installed, open Kyanite and then launch Roblox. Within Kyanite, locate the Inject button and click it to connect Kyanite to your active Roblox game. This process usually takes only a few seconds, preparing you for script execution. Now that Kyanite is injected, you're ready to run scripts. You'll see a text editor window within the Kyanite interface. This is where you'll paste your Lua scripts. Find a script you want to use, copy it, and then paste it directly into this editor. Before executing, quickly review the script for any obvious errors. Once you're confident, simply click the Execute button. The script will then run in your Roblox game, often providing immediate effects or changes. Beyond basic execution, Kyanite offers several advanced features. You can save your favorite scripts directly within the executor, allowing for quick loading without repasting. Many versions also include a script hub, a built-in library of popular and tested scripts you can use instantly. Don't forget to check the Settings menu. Here, you can often tweak performance, change themes, or configure hotkeys. Always prioritize safety by only using scripts from trusted communities and sources. Encountering issues? If Kyanite fails to inject, try closing both Kyanite and Roblox completely, then reopen them and attempt injection again. Always ensure your Kyanite executor is updated to the newest version, as Roblox updates frequently, which can break older exploit versions. For your safety, never share your Roblox account details with anyone and be extremely cautious about what scripts you run. Remember, using exploits like Kyanite comes with inherent risks, including the possibility of your Roblox account being banned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.